out there, this is Terry with Blooming Ideas, and yesterday I received my package from a charm swap I participated in over at myscraproom.ning.com. Our hostess was Kathy, and her YouTube channel is Canadian Scrapper Girl. This was her November charm swap. I believe it was her first swap that she hosted, and we had 6 ladies to a group, and I was in part of the second group. Kathy was in both of the groups, and this is what the ladies did. We could do a fall theme one and a miscellaneous one. So Kathy did a copper heart and some beads with a lobster claw clasp, and I think it came out really nice. She also did a pink set here with a little second little dangly, and we have a butterfly and a flower, so that'll be nice for spring, a little girl, maybe even a little baby mini album. And then she stamped and punched out her information on her display tag, which turned out really sweet. So thank you, Kathy. And then another lady that was in it was Sylvia, and she did this cute little bag with the button and the flower. One of her charms is like this with the pale pink pearls and this beautiful metal sunflower charm. Very cute. And her second one has this nice butterfly and silver and white beads, and then some silver beads on a lobster claw clasp. Next one is Debbie Craft One, is her YouTube channel, and she did this red bead with a star on this swivel clasp, and a garment pin with a safety pin, and some lamp work beads. I think they're both very adorable, and I'm sure I'll put them to good use. The next one is from Debbie Rice. Her YouTube is Mom's YDR. Well, again, I'll put the information at the bottom. So she's got a way to clip it on here, a little bit of a chain, green, I love the green, and a leaf. So I believe that would be her fall one. And then she has another little secondary charm hanging off the side, very sweet. And then the fishing line kind of clasp, which is very cool. And this one has wings on it. Really pretty. And I like the gold. That's a little bit different than all the silver. And then Deb Abel and I swapped ahead of time. So I got this one that has a fish going there and back, and it was on a fishing clasp as well. Very sweet. Debbie hand soldered her charm. And the second one I got has a little girl face and a butterfly kiss. How sweet is that? And she made these little pockets that we can reuse, and it has her information on it as well. But I didn't have enough to make mine, so everybody got their charm on this leaf, and I had a little leaf on the end, so I went with the fall theme. And then the other one was a handmade stamped stone, and then you heat it up like you do the dominoes. And then I added all this on, but I didn't have enough to make everybody's name, and I put it on a fishing class thing, and then it came on this little leafy thing. So it was a lot of fun. I really look forward to another charm swap or stick pin swap, and I'm hosting one, but the sign-ups for that is closed. And well, that's it for now, and thanks for looking. Bye.